Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
This is my father.
This is my father.
My mother is kind.
My mother is kind.
I have one brother.
I have one brother.
My sister is older than me.
My sister is older than me.
We live together in a small house.
We live together in a small house.
My parents work hard.
My parents work hard.
My uncle lives nearby.
My uncle lives nearby.
My aunt is a teacher.
My aunt is a teacher.
I have 2 cousins.
I have 2 cousins.
Our family likes picnics.
Our family likes picnics.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth after waking.
I brush my teeth after waking.
I take a shower in the morning.
I take a shower in the morning.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I drink tea in the morning.
I drink tea in the morning.
I leave for work at 8 a.m.
I leave for work at 8 a.m.
My children go to school.
My children go to school.
I have lunch at midday.
I have lunch at midday.
I read before bed.
I read before bed.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
The sun is bright today.
The sun is bright today.
It is cold this morning.
It is cold this morning.
Rain is falling outside.
Rain is falling outside.
Snow covers the park.
Snow covers the park.
The wind is strong.
The wind is strong.
White clouds fill the sky.
White clouds fill the sky.
A rainbow appears after rain.
A rainbow appears after rain.
The air feels fresh.
The air feels fresh.
The sky is clear.
The sky is clear.
Tomorrow will be hot.
Tomorrow will be hot.
I go to the market on Saturdays.
I go to the market on Saturdays.
The shop sells fresh milk.
The shop sells fresh milk.
I bought a pair of shoes.
I bought a pair of shoes.
She brought vegetables for dinner.
She brought vegetables for dinner.
We saw new clothes in the shop.
We saw new clothes in the shop.
The basket is heavy.
The basket is heavy.
He asked the cost of the bag.
He asked the cost of the bag.
The cashier smiled.
The cashier smiled.
We carried the shopping home.
We carried the shopping home.
I enjoy looking at small stalls.
I enjoy looking at small stalls.
We traveled to the hills.
We traveled to the hills.
The bus ride was long.
The bus ride was long.
Our hotel had a sea view.
Our hotel had a sea view.
We walked along the beach.
We walked along the beach.
The train was full of people.
The train was full of people.
The guide explained the history.
The guide explained the history.
I took many photos.
I took many photos.
The plane landed late.
The plane landed late.
We tasted local food.
We tasted local food.
The park was calm.
The park was calm.
I can swim in the pool.
I can swim in the pool.
She speaks slowly.
She speaks slowly.
He plays the guitar.
He plays the guitar.
We walk in the park.
We walk in the park.
They watch TV at night.
They watch TV at night.
My friend lives near my house.
My friend lives near my house.
The children are laughing.
The children are laughing.
The teacher is writing.
The teacher is writing.
We listen in class.
We listen in class.
I write letters to my aunt.
I write letters to my aunt.
My bag is on the chair.
My bag is on the chair.
The keys are in the drawer.
The keys are in the drawer.
The cat sleeps on the bed.
The cat sleeps on the bed.
The window is open.
The window is open.
The lamp is bright.
The lamp is bright.
We sit in the living room.
We sit in the living room.
He waits for the bus.
He waits for the bus.
She reads a magazine.
She reads a magazine.
They eat lunch outside.
They eat lunch outside.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
He paints the wall.
He paints the wall.
She waters the flowers.
She waters the flowers.
They sweep the floor.
They sweep the floor.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
We are planning a trip.
We are planning a trip.
He fixes his bike.
He fixes his bike.
The children sing songs.
The children sing songs.
I walk after dinner.
I walk after dinner.
She visits her grandmother.
She visits her grandmother.
He plays cricket.
He plays cricket.
We eat fish twice a week.
We eat fish twice a week.
They travel once a year.
They travel once a year.
My phone is on the bed.
My phone is on the bed.
Her shoes are in the cupboard.
Her shoes are in the cupboard.
His car is outside.
His car is outside.
Our teacher is friendly.
Our teacher is friendly.
Their house has a garden.
Their house has a garden.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
She is tired.
She is tired.
He is excited.
He is excited.
We are ready.
We are ready.
They are busy.
They are busy.
I drink milk every morning.
I drink milk every morning.
She eats fruit daily.
She eats fruit daily.
He likes to watch the sunset.
He likes to watch the sunset.
We cook together.
We cook together.
They plant flowers.
They plant flowers.
I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
She writes poems.
She writes poems.
He repairs shoes.
He repairs shoes.
We help each other.
We help each other.
They clean their room.
They clean their room.
I walk my dog.
I walk my dog.
She waits at the station.
She waits at the station.
He stands in line.
He stands in line.
We cross the road.
We cross the road.
They talk to neighbors.
They talk to neighbors.
I tell stories to children.
I tell stories to children.
She listens to music.
She listens to music.
He hears the bell.
He hears the bell.
We sing together.
We sing together.
They dance at parties.
They dance at parties.
My shoes are soft.
My shoes are soft.
Her dress is red.
Her dress is red.
His bag is heavy.
His bag is heavy.
Our street is wide.
Our street is wide.
Their garden is green.
Their garden is green.
I keep my books in order.
I keep my books in order.
She goes to school.
She goes to school.
He carries a lunchbox.
He carries a lunchbox.
We share snacks.
We share snacks.
They invite friends over.
They invite friends over.
I close the door.
I close the door.
She opens the shop.
She opens the shop.
He locks the gate.
He locks the gate.
We turn off the fan.
We turn off the fan.
They wash hands before eating.
They wash hands before eating.